You can open it, that's fine. And we're gonna go somewhere. And the clue's in that envelope still where we're going. See if you can figure it out. See what's in. You want to see that's in the envelope, Colton?
Look at the shirt first.
Look at the clues and see what's in there and see if you can figure out where we're going.
I got the shirt.
You got that shirt?
Yeah. I got picture bar.
Can you figure it out? Where that place is?
A circle. Disney World? Disney World?
Disney World? You want to go to Disney World? Would that be fun? Yeah?
A circle.
It's stickers. And what's in your bag still?
A circle.
Oh, you
There
sharing
we
your
go.
stickers?
Well, what's on that sticker? Who's on that sticker?
It's a duck.
It's a dog.
It is a dog.
It's not more.
It is. Do you think you might wear that at Disney World?
Yeah.
Who are you going to see at Disney World?
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, who else is there? Look at your stickers.
Let's pick up. It's that. Tiana.
Who's that?
It's you, okay?
Who is that? You might want to save it, Colton.
No picture, okay?
What's on that? What's on that sticker?
Sleeping Beauty
A
and
duck? Yeah, it is a duck.
It's Donald Duck.
It's Donald Duck. You want to
All
put
those
that?
princesses?
I don't want. Why don't you put it back on there, Colton? Save it.
I could. This is Disney, okay?
So you're excited to
I can
go
wear
see
it.
all those princesses?
Yeah.
You get to go to Disney
I
World?
did not know that was going to happen.
You
today.
didn't
No.
know that was going to happen. We're going to go next month. Would that be fun? Yeah, you excited?
They got Mickey Mouse stickers.
Yeah, because who else lives there?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. All those people you're going to get to go see. Colton, do you want to go see Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
You want to see the real Mickey Mouse?